Welcome back to Time Out Delhi. Well, the menu looks delicious, but we'll just have to try the food another time because for now it's time for us to go and learn how to get our nails done at the Scratch Nails Bar. Take a look.
Whoever thought beautiful paintings were confined to paper and canvas should step in here where they take painted nails to the level of an art form. And Pammi Kaul is the proud owner of the country's first and exclusive nail bar and training academy, Scratch Nails.
Scratch is focused to bring in standards into India, in international standards. That's what we talk about out here. We are training students according to the occupational standards internationally. We are making them aware about health and hygiene, which is so very important. You walk into a nail bar, you really don't know what diseases you can carry back home instead of carrying pretty nails.
Students at Scratch learn the latest techniques in nail art, meeting with global standards in nail technology.
Learn nail art, needle art, brush art, acrylic nail, gel nails. It's really good fun here.
Scratch Nails also has the expertise of Jackie Jefford, a nail technician par excellence from London. Jefford has Victoria Beckham, Gwen Stefani and many more as her clients.
Your nails make a statement about the person that you are. So if your nails look beautiful, you'll have confidence, you'll hold your shoulders back, you know, even the way you hold a cup or the way that you greet someone. If you've got groomed hands, you know, it tells someone something. So if you like art, I have to dress plain, so I wear it on my fingers. That is my statement.
It seems like the simple task of painting nails is taking on new heights through Scratch Nails. A world-class 5-star treatment for your nails is now at your fingertips.
Well, the next time you want to pamper your nails, you know exactly where to go. Well, with that, we've pretty much come to the end of Time Out Delhi. I hope you've enjoyed being taken around this beautiful space that is the Religare Arts Initiative Gallery Arts Eye, right in the middle of Connaught Place. It's an amazing dynamic space for both art lovers and artists alike. They have a number of great upcoming exhibitions, so watch out for those, or you could just come on down here and walk in. It's just a great place to see good art. Well, it's time for us to say goodbye. If you have any feedback for us, do write in at metronation@ndtv.com. Till next week, goodbye.